Welcome to my travel blog in my road trip in Canada. So enjoy! And then welcome sa Morici National Park. Andito tayo ngayon sa La Morici. Meron ditong stopover. Tapos mag-picture taken tayo doon sa mga view deck. La Morici National Park, 50 years of passion have gone into La Morici National Park. It is a story of people who believed in the potential of the land and work hard to develop it so that all generation could enjoy it, help protect it, and experience the joys of being outdoors. Since its creation in 1970, the park has never stopped evolving from its beginnings as a simple project to its current status. So ayan yung kanilang historical highlights sa 1970 hanggang 1980. Meron an eventful decade. Tapos sa number 2, 1980 hanggang 1990 on the road to maturity. And number 3 is 1990 to 2010 becoming sophisticated. So yung 2010 to present, fresh updates. So dito sa Morici Park, the park has now existed on paper but is still needed to be designed. Work quickly began to create the trails, campgrounds, and picnic areas that would allow people to experience the incredible landscape. The massive parkway construction project began in 1971. 4 years later, in 1975, 12.9 kilometers of road had been completed. The first steps across the park was made in 1978 and an off-road vehicles. So dito sa Morici National Park ay officially became Canada 22nd National Park. So dito sa loob ng Morici National Park, meron ditong sa 1981 there were 450 campsites in the park. Campsites could not be reserved but were rented on a first come first served basis. La Morici National Park, both accessible and wild, the park offers adventures for everyone to the rhythm of the 4 seasons: hike, camp, canoe, cycle, ski, or drive through the park to discover this protected territory, where indigenous knowledge, vacationing, and logging have all left their mark. You'll feel welcome and safe in the heart of an inviting source of wilderness and Morici culture. Meron red, brown, sa buong forest na yan na makikita mo sa view deck. Very colorful, parang painting lang ng parang hindi totoo. Pero makikita mo, grabe ang ganda. Napakakulay. Dito sa Canada, ang aming road trip na marami kaming pinuntahan na national park. Una sa Alcuinquin Park at tapos sa Gatineau National Park at ngayon dito naman sa St. Morici National Park. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video na to at marami pa tayong video. Papunta tayo ng bay at saka yung waterfalls ng Mont Morici sa Saguenay. So, abangan! Dito sa Morici, bawal dito yung drones. Ayan. Using recreational drones in La Morici National Park is prohibited. Anyone caught operating a drone within the park boundaries may result a law enforcement action and a fine of dollars. It's not big amount of dollars, maybe $25,000 ang fine. Imagine, ang Quebec province. So, malapit lang tayo sa Quebec kaya nandito tayo umiikot sa mga national park. Dito sa Morici, mayroon silang winter activities. The park is the ideal playground for hikers, cross-country skiers in the heart of the forests. There are also animals or birds having trouble seeing the animals in the picture. That's perfect. You must observe it from the distance. So during spring and fall activities, access to a part of the park is extended beyond the summer and winter season. Mag-i-enjoy ka talaga dito sa mga activities dito sa Morici National Park. So, the activities and experience, enjoy hiking, cross-country skiing, snow, showing, taking photographs, and more. Plan your visit. Pag mag-visit kayo dito, see information about hours of operation, fees, facilities, parking, and more. At least nag-enjoy kami kasi maraming colorful dito na makikita mo during our visit. And we enjoy so much the colors in different sizes and different colors like brown, dark brown, red, orange, red, yellow, yellow, green, everything we enjoy so much. About here in La Morici National Park, see the park's wildlife that our team of scientists protect, including bats and loons. So enjoy the history of indigenous connection. Explore the history, culture, and links with the Alticamic and Wabanakyak communities and archaeological discoveries and more. My God, I could not pronounce it. It's very difficult to pronounce. So pag mag-visit kayo sa La Morici at saka iba pang national park dito sa Canada, dito kayo pumunta kayo ng autumn kasi ang color grabe. Mag-enjoy talaga yung mga mata mo, iba-ibang color, parang nandun ka sa isang paraiso na wow, ang daming color. Dito sa La Morici National Park ay located near Shawinigan in the Laurentian Mountains in the Mauricie region of Quebec, Canada. So, ayan, enjoy tayong mag-road trip. The park lies within the Eastern Forest Boreal Transition ecoregion. The forests in the region were logged from the middle of the 19th century to the early 20th century. The park forests have grown and contain a mixture of conifers and mixed deciduous trees. Wildlife in the park includes moose, black bears, beavers, and otters. It supports a small number of wood turtle, rare in Canada. The park is a popular location for camping, canoeing, and kayaking. The park is named after the nearly St. Maurice River to the east of the park. The Matawin River flows along the west and north borders of the park. The Mauricie National Park is located in the province of Quebec, Canada, about 15 kilometers north of Shawinigan and about 45 kilometers north of the city of Trois-Rivières. It is bordered of the St. Maurice River to the east and Matawin River to the north. It is accessible from village of Saint Jean de Pile and Saint Mathieu du Parc. Secondary access is also possible by Saint Gerard de Laurentide. The park extends only 3 municipalities. So, ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video at sa very colorful na nakikita natin by far sa ating mga mata at closer sa ating camera. Ayan. So, sobrang ganda talaga rito. Dito naman nag-stop over kami dyan para tingnan natin ang ganda ng lake. The park is located in Quebec, south of Canada shelf. The park is part of the Greenville province, the most recent of 7 geological provinces that make up the entire Canadian Shield age Precambrian. The park is itself part of the Plateau gently sloping east to west from 150 meters near St. Moritz River to near 500 meters inland. This plateau of older metamorphic rocks is strewn with valleys and faults. The lower valleys are flooded by recent deposits dating from the retreating glacier of the Wisconsin glaciation. There are approximately 150 lakes in the national park. Lake size varies from small bogs at the higher elevation containing acidic water to the largest valley lakes that have clear water. All takes and stream flow into the St. Moritz rivers. Fish River, Swawinigan. Ayan. The Moritz National Park is located in the green area label established by Commission for Environment Cooperation of Northern Forest. It is also entirely within the ecoregion label of the Mixed Forest Shield and ecological label region of Southern Laurentians. At the national level, the national park is located in the ecoregion Southern Laurentian itself located in Eco Province, Southern Boreal Shield, and the Boreal Shields. Ayan. Well, anyway, drive ng drive sa aming destination, sa aming plano yan, sarili naming plano dahil hindi kami avail ng mga package tour. So, sarili naming arrangement. Sobrang ganda talaga ng view dito. Grabe. Siguro ko pag winter, lahat white. All white. Scenic Parkway. The 63 kilometers parkway winds its way through the park and along the 16 kilometers long Lac Wappisaguni, offering spectacular views of its beaches and cliffs. The parkway also leads to a lovely natural sandy beach and picnic area on the shores of Lac Edward. Be sure to stop at Le Passage Lookout, which affords some of the best views of the park. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoy my short video, and see you on my next travel vlog. To be continued ang ating road trip dito sa Canada. Ciao, ciao! Bye for now! So see you on my next destination, guys, here in our road trip in Canada. Ciao, ciao!